Hello everyone, this is Hann. In this tutorial I show you how to highlight mouse pointer like this. Okay, let's start. Okay, as you can see, I have mouse pointer like this. So first of all, just go to download the service in right here, the website, and go to gallery. I put link in the description. You can go to download free. They have ton of mouse pointer effect, but we go right here. So we got highlight cursor set. Just click here and you can download it free, right? Okay, I have downloaded already. Just open the folder right here. So here, this one, and then just right click and extract all the file. Okay, and replace it. Here what you got right here. This one, yellow and different color, right? So just keep it right here. So when we go to change the mouse pointer, we just search mouse and we saw mouse setting right here, this one, and then we go to additional mouse option right here, and we got mouse pointer right here. So we need to change right here, but we don't have that one. We can browse and find it. So the location here, right? Window, try C, window, and cursor. So let's make our file, copy all our file right here. Just Control A and Control click here. I don't need readme. Just copy that one. Okay, and then we go to window, try C, window, and cursor right here. So just right click and paste and replace it because I already pasted one. Okay, you got that one, right? Okay, let's change to green this time. Okay, this one, additional mouse setting, pointer, and we select normal mouse. We change another color. Just go to scroll down and for example blue or the green, this one, and open, apply, boom, you got it right. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have a question, let me know in comment. See you next time.